In this tutorial, we will see that how you can download and install Viber on PC or laptop and connect with phone in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you can open any of the browser and simply search for viber.com/en/. After searching this URL, you will be on this same website here. Then you have to scroll it down until you find here this download Viber. If you click on that, it will show you this download for Windows. If you click on that, you can select your location and click on this save button and it will start downloading. After download, you can open your Windows Explorer, open up your download section. Here it is. Simply double click to install it. After installation, you can open it. It will look like this. Then you can open your phone and from here, click on this more section where on right top side you will see here this QR code. Click on that and it will open up this camera. Simply, you have to put this camera in front of your PC or laptop like this. It will start loading and then your account will open in your laptop or PC. Click on this sync if you want. So that's how you can download and install Viber on PC and connect with phone in just few easy steps.